Hey, Sabalo. What's up? I'm coming, okay?
Alright.
Hey, Sandra. How are you? How have you been? I'm coming. How are you now? The traffic was so much, right? Ah, yeah. Sorry, eh? Sorry. Sabalo. This is my friend. She has been stopping me since about to like. Do you remember the day I posted you on my WhatsApp? Have you forgotten? The day I posted you on your birthday now.
Oh yes, I remember.
She saw your picture and she was like, wow, that was fine. Boy, fine. I was like, that boy is my neighbor. Don't worry, it's easy for you to get him. Don't have a girlfriend. So I brought her here. Yeah! This is her. See, Sandra, don't let him see you. You can see full package. Very fine girl. This fine girl likes you. You know we have seen me out since for some time now, and you know two of us can roll. Like you're my neighbor, you're just like a brother to me now. You know that. So it's better for you to just date my friend. She's very beautiful. See her now, fine girl. You like her.
No problem. You see, one of the reasons I love you because you always tell me the truth. You are beautiful. Sorry, my name is Sabalo.
I'm Sandra.
Sandra! Get out! Do you know the meaning of Sandra in my place? Sandra means you are beautiful.
Wow.
She's blushing. No problem. Sandra, actually, I don't know. Will you be free this evening?
Sure, I'll be free.
You'll be free? Can we hang out?
Yes, of course.
We can hang out. You bust my brain. You scatter my brain boss. No problem. We'll see this evening.
Okay.
Okay, Sabalo, talk to you later. Later, okay? Sandra, let's go inside. Sabalo.
All right, now.
Later,
Oh,
yeah.
you are a good friend.
Sabalo, bye-bye.
I don't suffer. She can't carry girl give me. Because I not get girlfriend. She carry girl can't give me. Say, my friend like you. Okay. No problem.
Vicky! Yes, this girl
Hey,
now.
Sandra.
Vicky, come. Babe, come. There is this. Come. Sabalo bought me an iPhone 11 Pro Max.
What? Sabalo.
Yes. Hey, God.
Which Sabalo?
It's Sabalo you know now.
Sabalo I know.
Yes.
My neighbor.
Yes.
But it's too early for me to get your phone now. When did you guys started dating?
How? What
I
do you
don't
mean?
understand. Sabalo got you this phone, iPhone 11 Pro Max. Sabalo I know.
Yes, now.
Yeah?
Is he not my boyfriend? Guess what?
What?
He even asked me to go with my change. He's taking me out for shopping.
Shopping?
Hey, babe, it's time to change my wardrobe.
Are you know now? Sabalo that you just met. I take you
Yes,
out
now.
for shopping.
Now. Why are you talking like that? Are you jealous?
Hey! Jealous? No, I'm not jealous. I'm okay. I'm not.
Okay, now, babe. I'll call you, okay?
Sabalo got my friend a phone. Ah, Sabalo, I'm coming. Sabalo, come outside.
Oh.
Am I just hearing? Like, Sandra told me you got an iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Yes, she's not Sandra. I just bought my baby boo. My boo-boo, my girlfriend, iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Which girlfriend? And you guys just started dating.
Is it your business? If I date her 2 seconds before your wedding, is it your business? I bought my girlfriend an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Dual SIM. Now 2 SIM they use. Dual SIM.
Really?
Yes. If you want the price, I can tell you. I bought that phone 568,000.
Hey!
You must be short of word. It shock you. It shock you.
Sabalo, come here.
Eh?
You just go. Hey. Sabalo, come back here. Sabalo! Hey. Hey, hold it there. Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
What's the meaning of that?
Which boyfriend?
Sabalo, of course.
Sabalo, your boyfriend.
Eh?
When this one starts?
Hey. Babe, what's your own now? You said you don't love me.
The boy you acting so cheap.
Why are you being jealous over a guy you rejected?
No, it's not like I'm being jealous. Like you're acting so cheap.
Oh my goodness. Please, you don't have to direct.
No, you have like you don't need to be so cheap over a guy you just met.
Oh, sister, you're here.
I'm here.
Oh, my love. Baby, I've missed you.
I know. 2 seconds meeting. You shocking?
I don't understand. Like
You cannot understand. Get out.
Sabalo.
Ciao.
Come here. Like Sabalo.
Eh?
Are you kidding me?
Get out. Thank you very much.
Go.
You see the way she's jealous. I never know she can be jealous like that. Eh? But she said she don't like me. Why is she jealous?
I told you to walk.
Eh? Thank
Trust
God
me
this
now.
plan work.
Hey.
Eh, before the phone master you, let me go and return the phone to the owner. I'll not go get money. Please bring the phone.
Don't worry.
Do you come with the casing?
I came with the pack. Don't worry.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
You're welcome. Sabalo. Oh, nice dog.
Hey, bye-bye. Eh?
Bye.
So she can be jealous like this. She could call me my brother. As if I don't know how many picking my mama born. Might even check this phone. Maybe she never scratch her. No. She don't snap 1,600 picture. I will delete the picture. No be you get phone. Now borrow. Mama.
Leave me. Oh.
I'm sorry. Talk now.
What would you talk?
Okay, thanks for watching this wonderful Sabala and Bay episode. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Talk more now. Is that all? Tell them to turn on the notification.
Turn on your notification post and comment and
Okay, share, like, and hug the video like this.
bye.
Bye. Bye.
Yes, funny.
We love you guys.
We love you.
Koboko in the
Subscribe,
building.
like,
We love-
comment, share.
Ja,
You dey crazy? You want block?